Greetings, citizens of the United States. We are not surprised to see people have questions concerning the video the new The Anon Message YouTube channel dubbed The Anon Messenger has uploaded, titled Project V, to get the point across without wasting any of your valuable time. Let us put it be that if you have any questions concerning Project V, please feel free to comment in this video. This video was uploaded in the YouTube channel The Anon Newsnet. Go to this channel, redirect yourself to the video section of the channel and locate the video titled Anonymous PV Questions. Click it and simply post your question regarding Project V in the comment section of the video. This will allow our operators to go through all questions accordingly, without all videos that are being copied and pasted to be decentralized. Rest assured, as long as you post your questions in the comment section of this video from the Anonymous News Network YouTube channel, we will answer it by uploading a PR video on January 20th, 2014.